Yo, we back with another video. Today we have a quick cleaning on some Air Jordan 11 Snakeskins. Now let's get into the video. I'ma first off saying these joints is dirty, but we're gonna use this lint remover to get the inside of the shoe cleaned out. So from here, we're just gonna get the laces removed so we can get on to the deep cleaning of the shoe. Go ahead and get your solution of choice and start going crazy on the shoe. For the next couple of scenes, I'm gonna let y'all listen to the ASMR of these clips. And there you have it, a freshly cleaned Air Jordan 11 Snakeskin. You can see the difference from that shoe to this shoe.